If you use Squarespace for client work and want access to extra resources, networking, and partner perks, then learning how to join Squarespace Circle is a great move. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full sign-up process step by step so you can join quickly and make sure everything is filled out correctly the first time. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Squarespace Circle homepage. Make sure you're on the real Squarespace site so you know you're signing up through the correct program. Once the page loads, look for the big black button that says Join Circle today and click it. After that, Squarespace will prompt you to log in. This part is important because you need to use the exact email address and password that you already use to access your main website projects on Squarespace. If you manage client sites or your own projects with one account, use those same login details here so the program can connect properly. Once you're signed in, Squarespace will take you to the application form. This is where you'll enter your business information. Start by filling out your business details carefully, then add your location. You'll also need to list the languages you speak with clients, so choose the ones that apply to your work. Next, Squarespace will ask you to select your specific services. This is where you can choose the type of work you do, such as web design, copywriting, SEO optimization, or e-commerce development. Pick the services that best match your business so your profile reflects what you actually offer. After that, you'll continue with a few more details about your agency. You may be asked to enter your agency size, your primary client industries, and how you originally heard about the program. Take your time here and make sure your answers are accurate, because this information helps complete your Circle application properly. When everything is filled in, check the box agreeing to the official terms of participation. This step is required before you can finish the application, so make sure you've reviewed the terms and then tick the box to confirm your agreement. Now, click Submit. Once you submit the form, Squarespace will send you an immediate automated welcome confirmation email. That email lets you know your application has been received and that you've completed the joining process. Be sure to check your inbox, and if you don't see it right away, also look in your promotions or spam folder just in case. And that's how to join Squarespace Circle. It's a simple process once you know where to go and what details to enter, and now you should be ready to complete your sign up with confidence. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.